Emerald Isle Realty has been a great partner for me. I really love the partnership that we have. Whenever people ask me what it's like to have a vacation home property, I always say that I wouldn't even try to have a vacation rental property without Emerald Isle Realty. They're the partner that makes this possible, and they take care of everything so that you as the homeowner don't have to worry about it. From the rental aspect of getting renters, they qualify the renters and make sure that everything is taken care of in terms of any expenses there. But then once the guests are here, there's a support service that they have where if renters have either special requests for things, sometimes they're wanting help with reservations to go to different restaurants or advice about different activities to do with the kids, they have those services available for the renters as well. And if ever there's any problems that do happen, because it's a house, things can happen, they've got the maintenance department that gets right in and gets the problem fixed, whatever it is. The housekeeping, the linens, everything is taken care of so that then when guests arrive here, they can just unpack their suitcase and be ready to have fun at the beach. For me, that's something that's important to me as a homeowner because I want my guests to have the best experience so they want to come back again next year. Emerald Isle Realty has always been right there with me to make sure that if I dream it, we can do it.